Well. Gratitude. Just rolling the shoulders. I am grateful for this present moment. Trying to lift up my legs. Beautiful day. Gratitude. I am grateful. Thank you for this present moment. I am grateful for. I'm grateful for having a roof over my head, food to eat, water. I mean, you name it, all those things I'm really grateful for. The ability to see, ability to hear, a sense of touch. I am grateful for families, friends, you just name it. It is a beautiful Tuesday. Happy Tuesday.